What's up, ladies and gentlemen? We are here at a yard sale. Pops, you got anything to say?
Your mama's crazy.
And we are having a yard sale today. I know Brianna has updated you all on that. Anything? You haven't updated them? Okay. We are having our yard sale and we're going to try to make some money.
And his mama's crazy.
And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on this video. We are selling a bunch of stuff. Not that good of stuff, I will admit, but that's what a yard sale is. And we're gonna be surprised at how much money we made. Oh, sorry, lighting's a little bit bad right there. It's a little better now. It's still really early. It is, I believe, at least 6:30, but we got out here at 6-ish. And this is the decrepit old people section right here. I'm gonna give you a little tour of everything. That's my stuff. Foot Joy. Got my TV.
They'll come by you.
Build it and they will come. Alexa?
You think so? Morning. Hey, good morning, you guys. We are waiting for the people to show up. We haven't had anybody show up yet, so.
Where are the people?
But you can see I have some good stuff. Curling iron.
That's why we're selling it.
A camera.
We have another camera. Video camera of a camera.
I personally believe these are going to be the first to sell. These are the best deal here. Who wouldn't want these for spring?
I really like that color. Brianna, how much do you think you're gonna make?
I have a goal of $200. I really hope I make $200.
And how much did we make the last time we had a yard sale?
That was a lot, didn't it? We made like $300.
Yep.
Like $300-ish. I'm hoping for $200. You show them how much clothes I have.
Nope, you want me to?
Look over there, how many.
All right, so let me go over. If you need clothes, we have clothes.
Oh, here comes two.
Come on
now. You're the next customer.
Do you have anything else to say?
Oh, I hope we sell everything today.
Are you tired?
I am tired. Does my hair look bad?
No, it looks absolutely amazing. What time did you get finished doing all this last night?
10 o'clock.
And Brianna, I have a real question for you. Is there any way that I could get a kiss right now? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you just saw me get rejected by my wife. That's not a first. And let me get some better lighting. There we go. Hello. Let's see here. You'd be amazed at what you can find in your house that people will buy. You think it's junk. Another person's junk is your treasure. Okay, I know that's not the quote, but that's, you know, what we're gonna go with today. Number one thing, do not go to people's yard sales that you know, because if you leave and you don't buy anything, they think your stuff is not good enough.
Well,
do you think my stuff is not good enough?
Well, here's the deal. So here's a good yard sale tip for all you viewers out there. If you don't buy something at the first 3, then you might as well go home for the day. This is the 3rd one, so that means a purchase is going to happen at this yard sale.
Let's go. What should they do on this video, Drew? What should the people do on this video? What would you do if you were watching this video?
If I could give the viewers one tip, I think it would be, don't ever be too good for used stuff. Like,
That's
yard
right.
sales.
That's right. What else would you do on this video, though? Wait. What would you do?
Comment.
Oh, like and comment.
Like and subscribe.
Like.
Drop a like. Let me, hey, down in the comments, let me know your best yard sale find. What about something like that?
How about that? Don't be too good to go to a yard sale and buy something for $1. Okay. How do you feel about your purchase?
Good morning, youngin'.
What'd you say?
I love you too.
All right. Well, y'all have a great day, and again, no refunds.
No refunds, no exchange.
Yep, no exchanges. Brianna, how do you feel about making your first sale? Alexa, what do you think about the yard sale so far? How's it going?
Did I tell you? Well, I'm just really glad I woke up at 5 o'clock for this.
You think so, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I did sell this really good suitcase. Bye, Charlie. All those are $1. She bought my suitcase. And now I am
Rich.
I may have paid like $50 for it, but I got a $5 back.
There's Walmart, Kmart.
You just have to make the most with what you have.
What do you guys got here?
Fresh lemonade. Wasn't out of the cup. We got up early this morning at 5 o'clock to make this lemonade. Yep.
We sold new donuts.
Yeah. We're gonna we sold donuts and lemonade.
He's a good boy.
He's waiting for leftovers.
Yes, he is. Here's the backyard. Anyways, so today we are going to bring you along. And what else do we have planned today?
We're gonna go to the TVA Trail and get Jock outside on a leash. We are leaving the house and we're headed to the TVA Trail. If you've never been there before, we absolutely love it. It's one of our favorite places to walk here in the Shoals area, right, Tom?
Yes, it is.
And Jock's back there. He's the strangest dog. You'd think most dogs like to stick their head out the window, but not Jock. He loves to just sleep back there.
He's a lazy boy, to say the least.
Okay, we're about to start walking the trail. Jock is a little eager, as you can see. He's kind of going ahead of us, but I wanted to stop right here and show you. They had just put a new, well, it's sort of new park over there where kids can play, and it's really, really nice. And then they have a covered pavilion and like water fountains and restrooms at the end. But we're not going to do that today, although I have before. We're going to walk the trail and we're going to take you along with us.
And we're off. So again, like Brianna said, this is the TVA Nature Walking Trail. And we enjoy coming out here, just getting some sunlight, getting out a little bit. Sometimes we have picnics out here. We run out here, and Jock loves it, as you can see. He always is wanting to explore anything and everything that's possible.
So as we're beginning, I want to tell them something.
Okay.
We never told them exactly how the yard sale ended.
Oh, okay. So tell them how much you made.
So we were there, it was a long day, and we were there for probably from 6 to, say, 1 o'clock?
6 to 1, solid. And the night before, Brianna was out there putting stuff together.
Come on, Jock. Come on, buddy. Jock, come on. So, sorry about that. Anyway, so yeah, we were there for quite a while, but we did not make our $200 goal that we wanted to do. We made about $120, but considering that we were just going to get rid of it and send it to Loaves and Fishes or a thrift store, we were pretty excited.
Jock is going everywhere right now. Very curious.
Jock.
Dog
Okay.
life.
So anyway, it was a good yard sale. It was a lot of work. We packed it all up. We had a mission trip team going to Alaska this summer, so we donated the rest of everything that did not sell in the sale. And so that was our yard sale experience.
She still made over $100 though, so that was good. And It's always great when you can make money with things that you are needing to get rid of. It clears out the house and everything else.
Yep. He's so excited. Okay, because Tyler must go off the beaten path, off of that nice paved road, we're gonna head down. TVA also has a bunch of little kind of off-roading.
Come on.
Doc will be happy. Jockey, you wanna go swimming? Look who shows up. It's a family affair.
No, who left us?
Hey. They're mad 'cause we left them. Jockey! It's Gigi and Papa! Chuck, did you see who it is? I came to see you. Alright.
Bye.
Y'all have a good run. Did y'all stretch?
No. Whoops.
Alright, bye.
Right.
Alright, we just finished the trail. I think it's right about 3 miles or close to it. My arm's not tall enough to get Tyler in the picture, so.
So I'm having to bend down.
So we are now going to go home, get ready for church tonight, and get Jock some water because you know he's